Let's do a quick little walkthrough of how to start your day right here in ClickUp. This is meant to be a simple routine. We call it a daily method of operation, or DMO, that you can follow every morning so you stay unblocked, responsive, and focused on the right word. Looking at our ClickUp, we want to start our day with opening up our home view. Usually, if you haven't set your linking in your browser any different, this is usually where you start. And this is your command center. That's where you will see what needs your attention, what things are, where people are waiting on you, where you are causing potential friction in the business, and what's coming up next. So if you're ever unsure to start, your home view is the place to start. How we start our day right here in ClickUp is assigned comments. So why is assigned comments the first thing you want to look at in ClickUp when you start your day? Simple. In situations where you work with a team or you work with a client, assigned comments are those situations where somebody is waiting on you. That could be a question, that could be feedback needed, it could be just something that's blocking somebody else's progress. So if you watched our communication guidelines, you know that when a decision needs to be made or something needs to be done, we assign the comment in ClickUp. With that, we want to ensure that when we are in here and we check out our assigned comments, you clean them up as quickly as possible. That means checking your assigned comments. If you can get it done, or simply reply and say, this is my answer, get it done and resolve the comment. If not, watch the communication guideline video of what do we do next if we cannot resolve this comment and this takes longer. Quick little tip, turn it into a subtask or a task, assign it to you, and set a due date. Usually, the assigned comment, however, should only require a quick answer of you. You can get it done, resolve it, and move on with your day. If we refresh that page, it's also going to be gone. So the next thing after we checked our assigned comments, we need to handle longer reviews. So if something in your assigned comments, as I already mentioned, is going to take more than about 5 minutes and you can't do it right away, don't let it sit there. It's just going to clog up your assigned comment inbox, just like your 10,000 emails in your inbox. So instead of just letting it sit there, create a task or subtask for it, copy the link to that task or the subtask, paste it back into the comment thread, saying that you'll be working on this task, and then resolve the comment. That's how simple it is to really make sure that the request is being tracked properly, it doesn't get lost, and the other person that has been assigning the comment to you knows exactly what's getting handled and that it is being handled, right? Hopping back into our inbox, our next step is really going into our inbox. This is where you are going to see mention, task updates, anything you were involved in. As you can see, it potentially duplicates a couple of things. So with that, before you really go into all of your inbox work, I often recommend to go into your replies, which automatically get marked red, by the way, but you can make sure they stay unread, or even set the notifications on and off if you are not involved in things anymore. With that, pop into your specific reply section and see what answers have you gotten. Do you need to clarify anything more? Again, the goal here is to take care of communication first and unblock everybody else that might be waiting on you. And then Popping into the inbox, again, you can see, and this is one of the reasons why we really want to make sure to always ad tag people and mention them in our communications so it really rises to the top and it doesn't get lost somewhere. Look through your inbox, your primary inbox. Usually the other you can just skate through. Do look it over and clear them all. But the other inbox is usually just automations that are running for you and you've been assigned things. Nothing major should be in the other. If it is, make sure that you move it over where it's supposed to be and make sure your notification settings are cleared. Right here in that primary inbox, you are going to see, as you can see, ad mentions, reply, task updates, anything you are involved in. Due date reminders, tasks that have been assigned to you. So scan through this and look for anything that is urgent or time sensitive. You don't need to act on everything right away, but you want to make sure nothing important is missed that you could clear right now and move forward. Again, as always, communication comes first. Quick responses matter more than long responses and all the things. If something is waiting on you, even a simple, got it, I'll take a look today, goes a long way because now everybody else that's involved has specific expectation. They know you've seen it. They know you're going to take care of it today. It really keeps things moving and avoids unnecessary follow-ups or confusion or check-in. Be proactive with your communication. Now, once you've cleared all of those communication pieces of assigned comments, of ad mentions, move into your actual work. That could be within your inbox when you have been something assigned, but even better, in my tasks, which can happen in my tasks right here, where you have your priorities. If you haven't watched the priority training yet, I recommend doing so. Your personnel list, as well as assigned to you. Look for anything that's urgent, anything that's due soon, anything that's blocking other people. This is what should guide your day. And as you've seen in the priority video, assign priorities to yourself. If you are working with me, you might also have a My Tasks view in the All Tasks section. The My Tasks view is set up in a specific way to surface the important tasks first and then sort things by due date. Focus really is what matters here. Start with your urgent tasks first, then move into high priority work. The goal is to stay ahead of deadlines and reduce that last minute pressure. The goal really is to keep things moving across teams, right? That's why we start with taking care of answers for the team before we dive into our own work. And I know sometimes everything can feel important. This is why we customize the My Task view. This is why we have priority flags, because really using your priorities and due dates to decide what comes first is taking us out of that emotional response of everything is important. Everything always seems to be important. So let's use priority flags. Let's use your personal priorities and due dates to decide what needs to be done now. To reiterate how we start our day in ClickUp. Open your home section, come directly into your home, clear your assigned comments, check your replies and reply to that. Do a run through your inbox and then go into your My Tasks, however specifically you are handling them, to get your work done. If you follow this consistently, you'll stay on top of your workload and help keep everyone else unblocked too. And if you're unsure how to handle something, talk to your manager, talk to your ClickUp champion, or if we work together, go mention me and I'm happy to help you figure out your specific use case and how to move forward.